A very good afternoon. I'm at Block 405, Hougang Avenue 10, and I have a 4NG for sale at the top floor, level 13, door to door. But first, before we go up, let's see how long it takes to walk to Hougang Mall. I can safely say it's less than 5 minutes walk from Block 405 to Hougang Mall. I'll just add another 2 minutes if you want to go to the MRT station. And enough with the amenities. Let's head up now to the top floor, level 13, to check out my door-to-door 4NG unit. You have lots of privacy as well, as you share the common lobby with only one other neighbour. Hence, it's like a private lift as well. As you enter the house into the living area, you can see that the owner opted for cement screed flooring, and you can also achieve a modern industrial chic vibe if you install some track lights with the right furniture and soft furnishing. Otherwise, you can easily do an overlay for the flooring. Before heading to the kitchen, we have a sizable utility room for your storage use. While inside the kitchen, you can see it has the same industrial chic theme with dark ceramic floor tiles and white kitchen cabinets. Both the common and attached bathrooms are done up, so the new owner will only need to change the sanitary fittings. All 3 bedrooms also have the same cement screed flooring, so it's very easy to do a flooring overlay. Check out the space in each of the bedrooms. Here's the floor plan for your easy reference, and you can see the squarish layout of this 4NG unit with no odd corners or curved walls. Definitely, you can fully utilize the space. Like you've seen before, Hougang Mall and MRT is about 500 meters away, while CHIJ, Our Lady of Nativity, is just 1 block away, and Holy Innocents High School is also nearby. Nature lovers will enjoy the nearby Punggol Park with their family. So we're done with the house tour of this awesome 4NG unit, top floor, level 13 at Block 405 Hougang Avenue 10. So call me, Edwin Kheng from AAG Orange Tea, to arrange a viewing.